and her family are on their way to visit Cousin Chloe.
I love playing with big cousin Chloe. Chloe! Oh, Chloe. Hi there. These are my friends, Simon Squirrel and Belinda Bear.
You can call me Si. It's short for Simon.
And I'm Bee. It's short for Belinda. I'm Peppa.
We'll call you Pep.
Oh, and this is George. We'll call you Oh.
You didn't tell us you had baby cousins, Chloe.
I'm not a baby, but you're both little. I'm a big fan. George is little. Why don't we all play a game? Yes, let's play hide and seek.
We don't play baby games anymore.
We're almost grown up. What about the yes-no game? What's the yes-no game? I ask things and you answer.
What makes that a game?
You mustn't say yes or no.
Too easy.
Do you want to play then?
Yes.
You said yes.
Sidebow.
That's not fair. I wasn't ready.
Bee, are you ready? Yes. I win again.
Peppa is very good at playing the yes-no game.
Can I ask the questions?
Of course.
You don't
Work. This computer doesn't work. I gotta do my work. But it doesn't.
I don't think so.
Oh, I give up. How do you always win?
Easy. I just don't say yes or no.
I win. You said yes and no. That was fun.
Let's play another game. Have you ever played sardines? What's that? Someone hides and we all try to find them.
Give me everything you took from me. Give me everything you took from me. Keep up, I'm too fast. Push my foot up on that pedal, then I'm gone.
Like sardines in a tin.
All right, let's try it.
George, you
I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 24? The way things are going, I don't know.